Today we're talking about changing the number formats for your titles in Compile in Scrivener 3 for Windows. You'll have noticed that the standard title styles in assigned section layouts don't have all the numbering options for each style. So, for example, you might have Chapter 1 in words, but not with numbers. You can change this to get the options you want by creating your own format and customizing the particular section layout you want, or by adding a new one. If you don't know about how to customize layouts yet, I'd suggest you watch this video first. This applies to both Microsoft Word and eBooks, so I'm just going to use the Microsoft Word paperback format. Let's go to that Chapter 1 heading. Click on it in the box and go to the Title options. There you'll see the word chapter and a couple of placeholders. The one we need to concentrate on is the first one, where it says $T:\chapter. The $T is what is defining how the number will appear, in this case as a word. Now, this coding is confused a little by the fact that uppercase is selected below, so I'm going to remove that for a second. It's there to ensure the word chapter is in caps too. So what this tells us is that $T is a text number, but in title case, so initial first letter in caps. If you want to specifically only put the number in caps, you can use the code $W with a capital W. Okay, so we want this to be a number. So now we're going to change this to $N, and we get the number. Obviously here you probably would want the caps specified in the window. One more option. Let's say you wanted to use Roman numerals. Change the code to $R in lowercase for a lowercase number, and $R in capitals for an uppercase number. Or just, once again, have uppercase selected below the box. Now you have a much wider selection of titles you can use if you wish. Next time we'll be looking at the new kind of drop caps feature in Scrivener 3 for Windows.